Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply. We are back again today with Zodiac's MX8, MX6, and MX8 Elite Tune-Up Kit. We're going to show you guys what comes included. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, we've got another what's in the box for you guys on Zodiac's MX8 and MX8 Elite Tune-Up Kit. For my intro, you guys heard me mention the MX6. The 90% of these parts are still going to work for the MX6, and as we get into it, I'll kind of show you guys which one is a little obsolete. So for those of you guys that aren't familiar, most of the time the MX6 is not available. You might be able to find stragglers out there, but they did come out with a full MX8 and MX8 Elite tune-up kit, so then this way you guys don't have to buy the individual parts. You guys can get everything that basically will help you get this cleaner back up and running all in one kit. So we'll actually have the part number down in the link in the description for you guys, so you guys can check that out. But it does come with a nice little handy dandy paper here for installation and different tips on how to get everything unhooked for you guys. Again, we've got a ton of videos on the channel actually tearing apart that entire cleaner, so if you guys want to watch those, you don't have to read this. So that'll allow you guys just to get down and actually replace it and figure out how to reinstall it. But number one thing for those of you guys that aren't familiar with the cleaner is the actual engine assembly. This is very similar to a turbine like other cleaners have that will rotate. As the water hits this free spins within, and that's what's creating that propeller to be able to actually lift the debris up from underneath, go straight up and then head towards your pump or your pre-filter, whatever you guys have set up for your stuff. They do give you guys 2 actual drive shafts. Again, if you're going to use this for an MX6, you only need the 1 drive shaft. So obviously you'll have an extra if you guys want to go that route. But for the MX8, you will need to use everything in this kit just to get everything tuned up and working properly. So they do give you 2 of the drive shafts as well as 2 of those bearings that you guys require on those drive shafts to make sure everything free spins. Those actually attach to the side of the engine assembly itself. And then of course you get your notorious gearboxes. So you got your side A's and your side B's. Really nice to be able to determine it. They actually stamp it right on the side. So this is the side A in my hand, and then there is a side B in here as well. Again, for the MX6, you're only going to be using the side A. You don't require the side B, so that would be your one downfall of buying this for your MX6 is obviously you're purchasing a gearbox that you can't use. They are not interchangeable, so don't try to put a B in where the A goes. It's only meant for that one side. Again, take them out, read the side, just make sure that you're putting everything in correctly to make sure it works. They do give you guys like a warning here on the sides of not turning these because that's not going to be safe for the actual gearbox. So just be gentle, and before you guys install it, make sure you guys remove all that. So, but for those of you guys that do have the MX8, again, the side B here. Oh, there's another piece. So the side B, again, we have tons of videos showing you guys how to actually tear that thing apart so you can get to the side B as well. Very important to make sure you guys replace both at the same time. It's just like replacing one tire over your car over another. You guys got to make sure you do them at the same time. That way everything operates in tandem and you guys don't actually run into more issues of this cleaner running around in circles. So both side A and B, and then of course you get your notorious tracks. So these are the 2 side tracks that you guys will need for the actual cleaner. Again, if you have an MX6, these will work. They're the exact same size, identical. Again, part numbers down below. If you guys want tips and tricks on how to do all that, we've got the videos on the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, so you guys can come in and check all those out. But we do have all that available, and that's everything that comes in the kit. So most of your wearables are your tires and your gear kits. You may be able to just buy this and keep an extra engine assembly, as these don't wear as often, but it is very important to make sure that when you guys swap out these gears on the side, that you do swap out the drive shafts, just because they do work together. So the teeth tend to wear. So if you don't actually have these hooked up as new units together, again, you're just going to end up chasing and just constantly replacing different parts. So that's why it's really nice to be able to get this all in one and be able to just do one quick hot swap, all your major movers, and get this thing back up to working condition. So just wanted to show you guys what comes included on the MX8 and the MX8 Elite Tune-Up Kit. Again, make sure you guys check out all those links in the description. Check out the channel. We've got more videos on showing you guys how to actually replace all these. But I really appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to hit that like button. Until next time, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.